Are you spending more than you realize on your car? What if I told you that your car could be one of the biggest things keeping you from building wealth? Let's break down why owning a car could be draining your bank account and how you can take control of your finances today. Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash $4, where we help you save more and build wealth faster. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most overlooked expenses many people face: car ownership. It's not just the car payments you're worried about, it's everything else that adds up over time. From depreciation to fuel to insurance, let's uncover the full cost of owning a car. Did you know the average person spends over $10,000 a year just to own a car? That's more than some people pay for rent or their mortgage. And it's not just the car loan. Every time you drive, you're adding to the costs with gas, insurance, and maintenance. So, what's the real price of having a car in your driveway? As soon as you drive a new car off the lot, it loses about 10 to 15% of its value. That's thousands of dollars gone in just a few hours. Instead of buying new, consider a used car that's 3 to 5 years old. It's the sweet spot where most of the depreciation has already hit, and you can get a like-new car without the hefty price tag. Interest rates for car loans are climbing, and if you don't have great credit, you're looking at higher monthly payments. But don't just settle for any loan. Explore all your financing options. Shop around for the best rates, and see if you can get a lower monthly payment. Remember, every extra dollar you pay for your car loan is money that could be going into savings. Fuel costs are one of the most overlooked expenses. On average, you're looking at $200 a month just to keep your car running. That's $2,400 a year. But you can cut this down by using membership discounts at gas stations, or even considering an electric vehicle if it fits your budget. Car insurance is a big recurring cost. But here's the good news. You don't have to stick with the same provider forever. Every year, shop around and compare quotes. You could save hundreds by simply switching to a better deal. Don't let your insurance premiums eat into your savings. Basic car maintenance doesn't have to cost a fortune. Learning how to change your oil, replace air filters, or rotate your tires can save you hundreds of dollars each year. And you don't need to be a mechanic. There are tons of free tutorials online to help you get started. Ever thought about living closer to work? It might seem like an extra cost up front, but reducing your commute can save you big on gas, wear and tear on your car, and even time. Think about it. You could spend those extra hours working on side hustles or just relaxing, all while saving money. In the end, taking control of your transportation costs could be the key to unlocking greater savings and building wealth faster. Make sure to assess the true cost of car ownership and consider smarter alternatives like used cars, better insurance deals, and even public transport. It's time to stop letting your car drain your finances and start taking steps to secure your financial future. Want more tips on how to save money and build wealth? Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications. Drop a comment below about your biggest car-related expense and how you're planning to tackle it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.